Tablet press for the pharmaceutical, chemical and food industries, in powder metallurgy for the production of tablets, briquettes and boluses from loose powder materials. It is used for the production of tablets with a diameter of 6 to 50 mm, height of tablets up to 25 mm. The maximum depth of powder filling into the matrix is 40 mm. This press model allows the production of tablets of different shapes, classic, oval, shaped tablets and rings with inner holes. Increased maximum pressure of 4 tons. Suitable for the production of logo tablets. We provide detailed instructions for setting up the press and producing tablets. Prior to shipment to the customer, the press is inspected and tested at the plant. Completeness and performance is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of the company Minipress will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru is one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp.
Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808. Minsk phone +375 29 308 0000.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.